good. Fast break layup. It's good.
Good afternoon, volleyball fans and enthusiasts. We are now on our last game of our triple header match for this afternoon. It's the NCF Tigers, the defending champions, will go against the CAMARINES Norte State College Reds Stallions. Once again, I'm Aljon Pogoy, and with me is Christine Reyes, and we are your commentators in this anticipating match between the defending champions and the Red Stallions.
Yes, Aljon nga, we are still live at Bucal and GNN Facebook page and of course dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Pero bago tayo magsimula, rundown lang tayo sa nangyari kanina sa ating game number 1. It's the CSPC Blue Stallions versus the Ateneo Lady Knights, kung saan nga nakuha dito ng Blue Stallions sa kanilang panalo 3-0.
That's right, Tin. On our second game, it was the CSPC Blue Stallions against the USI Falcons men's volleyball. That was a thrilling third set. The both teams are really showcasing the greatness in volleyball. However, the CSPC Blue Stallions was able to upset the USI Falcons a 3-0.
Yan nga, isang magandang laban nga ay pinakita sa atin sa dalawang larong nauna. Pero ngayon, it's the NCF Tigers versus the NORTE Red Stallions. Na talaga namang sila ang magsasarado ng araw na ito.
I'm very excited because this both teams comes from a win, right? Balikan natin din yung previous matches nila.
Yan, dito naman sa Red Stallions, last time nakalaban nila itong CSPC Blue Stallions men's volleyball, kung saan nga nakuha nila ang panalo nila at magandang laro ang ipinakita nila that time.
On the defending champions naman, last week, they were head-to-head against the USI Falcons and they were able to upset the USI Falcons by 3-0.
Ayan nga, dito sa Red Stallions, sabi ni Coach Ian Equipado, solid defense and perfect execution play lang yung kailangan nila dito. And of course, hindi naman sila na-pressure dahil nga defending champion ang makakaharap nila dahil parehong magaling team ang maghaharap ngayong hapon na to.
That's right. And on the defending champion coach naman, Ian Olaso, he reminded his teams to not be complacent, though they're the defending champions, but in the season, there's no actual defending champions because all of the teams, you're correct, are very good in volleyball.
Yes, our coaches, both Ian, talaga namang pareho ding magaling ang dalawang koponan na ito. At dito nga, sa ating set number 1, magsisimula na tayo. It's the NCF Tigers versus the CNST Red Stallions. And now on the serving line, Espina to serve the ball. Good serve.
Junicio!
Oh, what a block coming from the Red Stallions.
What a block by the Red Stallion. Access denied. And to know more about the NCF defending champion side, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kyla.
Hi Tina at Aljon at sa lahat na nakatutok pa rin sa atin live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Kyla Casulia, your courtside reporter, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. Handang-handa na nga ang lahat sa unang pagtatapat ng CNSC Red Stallions at NCF Tigers this Bucal Season 4. At nakapanem ko nga kanina ang team captain ng Tigers na si Tristan Kapukaw. Ayon nga sa kanya, isa sa naging adjustments nila ay ang kanilang mga errors during their first game, especially their service error. At ayon sa kanya, huwag maging complacent. Yan ang laging paalala sa kanila ni Coach Ian. At ayon naman kay Coach Ian, he always reminds his players to set their own tempo para kahit sino man ang kanilang makakalaban, it will always be in the same level. Makuha kaya ngayon ng NCF Tigers ang kanilang pangalawang panalo? Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Kyla. I like how
Yes.
Coach Olaso reminded his team about the tempo because every team has their own tempo, right? So
Yes.
I want to see the NCF na kanila talaga yung play, right? No pressure,
Totoo yan.
no running when it comes to match against the CNSC Red Stallions.
Ayan nga dito sa ating set number 1, lamang dito ng isa ang Tigers 3-2 sa ating talaan.
And now serving Junicio.
Good serve.
Over-receive. Quick! What a pick-up by Red Stallions.
Ayan,
Raimundo.
para naman malaman natin dito sa side ng Red Stallions sa kanilang preparations, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Valerie. Val, kamusta dyan?
Thank you, Aljan and Tin. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng nanonood at nakatutok dito sa Bucal Season 4, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back for the last game, this triple-header Sunday match, and this game will be the battle of two great teams, the CNSC Red Stallions versus the NCF Tigers. This is Valerie Kailita, your courtside reporter all the way from the bench of CNSC Red Stallions for Bucal Season 4 Volleyball Men. A thrilling 4 sets at the expense of 3 against 1, won by the Red Stallions with an intense match on their last game. Ayon nga kay Coach Ian Equipado, they have prepared for a perfect execution of play and solid defense ang dapat abangan sa kanilang performance. Dedicate your heart, ika nga ng team captain na si Joven Espina. Yan ang kanilang baon kasabay ng mga pinatibay na endurance for this game. Dito masasaksihan nating muli ang bangis ng CAMARINES sa larangan ng volleyball. Now, will the Red Stallions still taste the victory and sustain their momentum this game? We'll see about that, so just keep on tuning in here on Bucal Season 4 Men's Volleyball. Back to you, Aljan and Tin.
Thank you so much, Val. Ayan nga, dedication while playing itong baon ng Red Stallions dito. At hindi nga sila natatakot kahit defending champion naman ang kanilang kaharap
That's
ngayon.
right. The courage is actually
Yes.
their backbone in this match against the defending champions.
And now, Mirabel serving the ball for the Red Stallions. Good
Nero.
serve.
Apato
Wow!
with Rebuyo. What a play again by the defending champions.
Yes, a strong attack coming from Sibuyo. And now, he is serving the ball for the NCF Tigers. Taking his time. Oh, strong serve right there. An automatic point for the Red Stallions. And now Atiwag to serve the ball. Taking his time. Good serve.
Long Cebuyo. What a
Wow.
pipe attack with a little bit help of the net.
Yes, Sibuyo is our best player of the game last time, and now pinapakitaan niya tayo ng malakas na atake. Talaga namang kaabang-abang ang larong ito.
That's right, Tin. In every angle of this
Yes.
court, mapa-open man yun opposite or back row.
Estacion serve the ball.
A miscommunication. Barredo with a soft touch and get a point.
Yes. 7-6 sa ating talaan. Isa lamang dito ang kalamangan ng Tigers. 8-6. And now Estacion serving the ball. Good
A
serve.
great serve. Jonicio!
Oh!
Access denied.
Talaga namang yung block dito ng Red Stallions, talaga namang napakalakas.
Bantay sarado dito si Jonicio ng Red Stallions.
Totoo yan. And now Espina to serve. Good serve.
Great receive by Nero. Back row. And that was good by Raimundo.
Hindi daw nakaabang dito ang Red Stallions, and another point for the Tigers. 9-7 sa ating talaan. And now Uwarde serving the ball.
A little bit strong on that serve.
Puntos para sa Red Stallions dito. It is a close match between these two teams. And now Asis to serve. Good serve.
Jonicio. What a spike by Jonicio. He was able to
Yes.
break the blockers.
Magandang laban nga ito. Magandang performance ang pinapakita dito ng NCF Tigers, and now Jonicio serving.
A float serve. Great dig by Nero. Chance to counter for Red Stallions. Great block by Tigers. Another opportunity. Jonicio, pipe attack. What a great dig by Red Stallions. And that was a great spike with an authority.
Napakalakas na atake mula sa Red Stallions na magbibigay sa kanila ng puntos dito. Isa na lamang hinahabol nila kontra sa NCF Tigers. And now Mendones to serve the ball. Good serve.
Over receive.
Oh, a quick attack coming from the Red Stallions. Grabe. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo pero mainit-init na ang laban na ito. Again, Mendones serving. Good serve.
Cebuyo. Great dig. What a block by the Tigers.
Napakalakas nun ha. Hindi talaga nabuwag. And now Barredo for the Tigers to serve the ball.
Jump serve. Back row attack. A quick. Great coverage. Cebuyo.
Ball is still
Great
alive here.
reflex there by the Red Stallions. Raimundo.
Pero ang puntos mapupunta sa Red Stallions. 4 touches para sa NCF Tigers. At tayo na nga tayo sa set number 1, 11 all dito. And
Palitan
now,
lang tayo ng
totoo
puntos
yan.
dito, Tin.
And now Capos serving.
Cebuyo. What a cross-court hit!
Wow, pinapatunayan dito ng NCF Tigers na sila nga ang defending champion.
Even the
Of course.
libero cannot handle his spike.
Totoo! And now, Raimundo on the serving line. Taking his time. Good serve.
Chance to counter for Red Stallions. Great reflexes there by the Tigers. Cebuyo.
Pero puntos yan sa NCF
A
Tigers.
net touch is
Yes.
awarded to Red Stallions.
13-11. Naungusan na nga ng dalawa dito ng NCF Tigers, ang Red Stallions. And now Raimundo again to serve. Good serve.
Cebuyo. Great recovery by Red Stallions. Back row attack. And that was a good placement shot.
Yes, pasok pa yon sa banga dito sa NCF
The Tigers actually didn't
Yes.
expect na mapasok yung bola na yon.
Talaga nagkatinginan pa sila, di ba? 13-12 ang ating talaan. Isa na lamang hinahabol dito ng Red Stallions. And now Mirabel serving the ball. Good serve.
A poor reception. And chance to counter for Red Stallions.
Oh!
Straight to the net.
Puntos muli para sa NCF Tigers. And now Sibuyo on the serving line to serve the ball. Taking his time. What a
What
stroke!
a serve! Really finding the hole in that spot. Actually,
Pasok na
mahirap
pasok
yun
pa
ah.
Totoo yan. Again, Sibuyo on the serving line for the NCF Tigers. Good serve.
A poor
Ayan na.
reception.
Sunod na puntos para dito kay Sibuyo. And a timeout was called by the Red Stallions sa ating talaan. 16-12. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back here live at the NCF covered court as the defending champions against the Red Stallions. A pipe attack. Great receive by Nero. 1-2 play!
Wow.
And it was good! Red Stallions didn't expect that hit.
Yan, 17-12 na nga sa ating talaan dito. 5 ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. And again, Sibuyo to serve the ball. This time, it's outside. An automatic point for the Red Stallions. And now, Atiwag to serve the ball. Taking his time. It was also outside. Back-to-back error from this both teams. 18-13 sa ating talaan. And now, Estacion for the Tigers. Taking his time.
A jump
Good
serve. 1-2 play, dug up by Sibuyo. Janicio with a push.
Wow.
And it was a net touch violation committed by the Red Stallions.
Another point for the NCF Tigers. The crowd is silent here. Para talagang nagme-meditate sila dito. They thinking about what will happen with this game.
Yes,
And
they're
outside.
actually holding their breath.
Yes.
Kung ano ba ang
Totoo yan.
kaganapan sa dalawang team na ito because both team is actually very powerful when it comes to spikes.
Yes. And now, Espina for the Red Stallions. Good serve.
Good receive by Nero. Jonicio. Great coverage here with the Red Stallions. Jonicio tries one more time. Not a very good set. Red Stallions. And I think it was a 4 touches, yes. Committed by the Red Stallions.
2014 sa ating talaan, 5 na lamang ang hinihintay dito ng NCF Tigers to get the set number 1. And now, Owarde to serve for the NCF Tigers. Good serve.
Chance to counter here for Red Stallions. A push. Raimundo.
Wow!
What a hit! Challenging the blockers
Wow.
of the Red Stallions.
Great attack coming from Raimundo. 21-14 on our scoreboard. And again, Uwarde for the NCF Tigers. Good serve.
A quick, great coverage by Nero. Jonicio straight to the net.
Yan. Point for the Red Stallions here. 21-15. 6 ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. And now Asis on the serving line for the Red Stallions. Good serve.
Jonicio,
What an attack!
a little bit of power on that
Oh.
hit. It was outside.
It's 21-16. Bago ang lahat, batiin natin ang mga nanonood sa atin ng live. We have 120 live viewers dito sa ating Bucal at GNN Facebook page. And hi kay Erica De Lima na sumusuporta sa NCF Tigers.
And I also would like to shout out Rick Puerta supporting Gabriel Jonicio.
Yes. Good serve.
A quick, great coverage here by the Red Stallions. What a block, a great reflexes here by the Red Stallions one more time. Nero, great dig. Jonicio,
What an attack!
what? It was a point.
Yes, a great attack coming from Jonicio. And now he is serving for the NCF Tigers. It was too strong for that serve. An automatic point for the Red Stallions. And now Mendones for the Red Stallions. Straight through the net, an automatic point for the NCF Tigers. 23-17 sa ating talaan. Yan, meron tayo dito sa ating Facebook page. John Mark A. Nemo, sabi niya, go CNSC Red Stallions. Yan, puntos muli para sa Red Stallions dito.
Palitan lang dito ng service errors.
Yes. It's 23-17 sa ating talaan. Good serve.
Chance to counter here. Quick! And it was good and
Wow.
effective.
Great attack coming from Estacion. And now Raimundo. Oh, there's a timeout called by the Red Stallions. 24-18 sa ating talaan. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We
Now
are
serving Raimundo.
Good serve. puntos yan para sa NCF Tigers. And now, nakuha na nga ng NCF Tigers ang ating set number 1. It's 25-18. Magbabalik po kami para sa set number 2. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
Hi, I'm Christine Arias, 21, a third-year AB Communication student of NCF, and I will be one of your commentators for this season of Bucal. I'm not a really sporty type of person, but I do get fascinated watching and listening to commentators. And also, as a communication student, I think it will help me hone my communication skills and, of course, to socialize with other people. Samahan niyo kaming tutukan at subaybayan ang bawat team this Bucal Season 4.
Fast break layup. It's good.
And we are back here live at the NCF covered court. What a first set
Yes.
of this both teams. It's 25-18 in favor of the defending champions, the Tigers.
Yan, maganda nga yung performance na pinakita dito ng NCF Tigers sa ating set number 1. Pero syempre, hindi na nagpahuli dito ang Red Stallions. Kaya talagang mahirap mong masabi kung sino nga ba ang mananalo sa larong ito. And now, we are on our set number 2.
That's right, Teen. Actually, kaninang first set, ang daming mabibilis na plays, right?
Yung blocks, attacks coming from both teams.
Even
talaga.
service aces, actually, of the both teams. What a very strong service aces coming from them.
And of course, hindi din mawawala yung errors na kailangan din nilang bawasan from this both teams.
Yes, because error is a free point.
Ayan. Habang naghihintay pa tayo sa ating set number 2, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Naga College Foundation, 3D Calibre Security Agency, Mariners Polytechnic Colleges, Congressman Gabby Bordado, 3rd District Camarines Sur, Mangcox Quinalas, Lemon Residences, Mansonic Security Agency, NCF Wings, the Alamar Psychometric Center, Naga and Travels and Tours at Doña Osang Restaurant and Catering Services.
We have also Kamsur Viaje, The Art Gallery by NCF, Capazon, Peñaflor, NCF Driving School, Willie & Sons, SMCT-Naga, Tigers Cafe, Wow Worlds of Water, AET Graphics and Ads, and NCF Training Pool.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And now we're going to start our set number 2 with Asis to serve for the Red Stallions. Good serve.
Jonicio, what a great coverage by Nero. Jonicio tries one more time. And a 2 touches is awarded to Red Stallions, an automatic point for the Tigers.
Ayan nga, unang puntos dito ng NCF Tigers. We are tied on 1 for the both teams. And we have Jonicio serving. Great attack coming from the Red Stallions.
What a fast play.
Yes.
No one there in the NCF Tigers.
And now, Mendones to serve the ball for the Red Stallions. Taking his time. Good serve. Quick attack coming from Sibuyo. Point for the NCF Tigers. Ayan, para naman malaman natin kung ano ba ang magiging adjustment dito ng Red Stallions, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter, Valerie Val. Kumusta dyan?
Thank you, Aljan and Tin. Aljan and Tin, tinapos ng Tigers ang unang set sa puntos na 25-18 at hindi nga nasungkit ng Red Stallions ang panalo sa set na ito. Ngunit buo pa rin ang kanilang loob dahil nagsisimula pa lang ang laban. Ayon nga kay Head Coach Ian Equipado, kailangang pabutihin ang kanilang opensa at sa susunod na set ay makuha na sana nila ang momentum na kanilang inaasam. Makuha na kaya ng Red Stallions ang second set? Sabay-sabay nating alamin kaya't manatiling nakatutok dito sa Bucal Season 4 Volleyball Men. Balik sa inyo, Aljan and Tin.
Thank you so much, Val. Ayan nga, kailangan ngang mas lalo pang paigtingin ng Red Stallions sa kanilang opensa at depensa sa larong ito. Pero sabi nga nila, nagsisimula pa lang ang laban dito. And now, Aljan, Ian, pakinggan naman natin or tingnan natin kung ano nga ba ang nangyari sa ating set number 1.
That's right, Tian. Looking at their statistics, the Tigers was able to had 12 attacks as opposed to 8 of the Red Stallions. When it comes to blocks, they had an equal 3 blocks, service aces. NCF Tigers was able to had 2 service aces. And the opponents ay hindi din nagkakalayo. The Tigers had 8 and the Red Stallions only had 7.
Yan, magandang laban nga nakita natin kanina sa ating set number 1. And now, we have 3-4 sa ating talaan. A service ace coming from the NCF Tigers. 3-4 sa ating talaan. Ayan, para mas malaman pa natin kung ano yung preparation dito ng NCF Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Kyla, anong update?
Thank you, Tin at Aljon. Kung may Great Wall of China nga, meron namang Great Wall of Tigers ang ating mga Tigres sa galing ng depensa na pinapakita nila against the Red Stallions. At patuloy naman silang pinapaalahanan ni Coach Ian na bawasan ng service error at pabawasan ng service error para tuloy-tuloy ang momentum. Back to the panel.
Thank you very much, Kyle. I like how Coach Olaso remind his team kasi kanina talaga, first set pa lang, medyo madami-dami na ang service errors ng Tigers. But heading to the second set, they have to decrease their service errors.
Ayan, totoo yan. Nabuhay na din yung mga tao dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. We're hearing them cheering from this both team, the Red Stallions and Tigers. 5-6 na nga sa ating talaan. And now, Atiwag for the Red Stallions. Good serve.
Jonicio, soft touch. A great coverage there by Red Stallions. What a hustle by the libero. A quick, and it was good.
What a great attack coming from Estacion here. We are tied on 6 on our set number 2. And now Estacion to serve the ball for the NCF Tigers. Taking his time. Good serve.
A poor receive coming from the Red Stallions. What a lucky point
Yes.
for the Tigers.
Ayan, puntos para sa kanila. And again, Estacion on the serving line for the Tigers.
A jump serve again. A quick.
Oh.
There is miscommunication.
Yan, naghintayan sila dito. The point will go to the NCF Tigers. 8-6. Again, Estacion for the Tigers.
Jump
Good
serve
serve.
again. A little help of the net. Janicio. Open. And it was good. What a great cross-court hit.
Yan. Puntos muli para dito sa Red Stallions. 8-7 sa ating talaan. Isa na lamang hinahabol nila dito para muli tayong mag-tie sa ating set number 1. And now Espina serving. Good serve.
1-2 play. A great coverage by Sibuyo. Janicio. Outside. A little bit of power on that hit.
And napakalakas nung atake ni Janicio and it's outside. 8-all tayo dito. Again, we are tied. And it's Espina again for the Stallions. Good serve.
Janicio tries one more time. Good block. A quick and a miscommunication
Yes.
again by the Red Stallions.
Again. 9-8 na nga tayo dito. Isang abante ng NCF Tigers. And now Owarde for the Tigers. Good serve.
Open. Joust at the net. Great coverage by Nero. Janicio. Deflected by the blockers. Raimundo. What a hustle by Red Stallions.
Long
A
run
quick.
here. Wow!
And it was good.
You
With
can
an
hear.
authority by Estacion.
Yes, you can hear the cheering of the fans and supporters here inside the NCF covered court. Ito yung hinihintay natin kanina pa.
That's right, Tin.
Para makapagbigay ng energy sa ating mga players. Sa good play coming from the NCF Tigers. And now Owarde for the Tigers. Good serve.
A good hustle there by Red Stallions. An opportunity for Tigers. Janicio, soft touch. What a recovery. A quick and it was good again by Estacion.
Puntos muli para sa NCF Tigers. 11-8 sa ating talaan. A really good start for the set number 2. Grabe yung suporta dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Binawi nila sa set number 2. And again, Uwarde serving. And it was outside this time. Automatic point for the Red Stallions. And now, Asis on the serving line. Taking his time.
Apolinar. Raimundo. No blockers. And that attack.
Grabe. You know what? Kung napanood nyo yung last game ng NCF Tigers kontra sa USI Falcons, lahat ng players gumagalaw. Lahat ng players malalakas yung atake and blockings dito sa larong ito. And we have a timeout. 12-9 sa ating talaan. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
And we are back here live at the NCF Covered Court, and you can also catch up this game on GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For the meantime, Apolinar serving. A
Good
great serve. A free ball for the Tigers. Cebuyo.
But it was blocked.
What a great block
Yes.
by the Red Stallions.
And now we are on 12-10. Dalawa ang kalamangan dito ng Tigers. And now, Mendones serving. Taking his time. Oh, straight through the net. Service error coming from him. Automatic point for the Tigers. And now, Barredo serving. Great serve!
Great
Service
serve by
ace.
Barredo.
Service ace coming from him. Back-to-back points for the Tigers here.
Mapa-quick man, even service talaga
Yes.
namang power talaga si Barredo.
Pinapakitaan tayo ng magandang performance dito ng Tigers. And again, Barredo. Good serve.
Back row attack. Cebuyo. A great dig by Espina. Cebuyo again. Nobody home.
Yes.
What a great blocks again by the Red Stallions.
It was deflected with their monster block. Talaga namang maganda ang performance din dito ng Red Stallions. Hindi nagpapatalo. And now, Capos serving. Good serve.
A quick. What a great attack.
From Estasyon. No one knows na mangyayari yon. Mabilisan talaga ang galaw dito ng NCF Tigers. And now, Raimundo serving the ball. Straight through the net. Point for the Red Stallions. And now, Mirabel for the Red Stallions. It was outside. Back-to-back errors from this both teams. 15-12 or 16-12 sa ating talaan. Lamang ng apat dito ang NCF Tigers. And now Cebuyo at the serving line. Good serve.
Assist. And it was good. Lumusot ang bola sa blockers ng NCF.
Ayan, 16.
Fast break layup. It's good.
Napakalakas ng mga blocks, attacks dito ng NCF Tigers. Yung mga quick attacks din nila na hindi mo makikita na darating.
Actually, mahirap yung quick attack
Yes.
because they have to be connected ng setter and also the middle attacker. If hindi, magkakaroon sila ng miscommunication.
Yes.
So I acknowledge the both teams.
Yes.
Ang gaganda ng mga plays nila when it comes to quick attacks.
And now, Estasyon.
What a great dig by the libero. Straight to the net. A point to the Tigers.
1913 sa ating talaan dito. And again, Estasyon will serve the ball. Taking his time. Good serve.
A quick
Oh!
by Asis. No. It was a miscommunication.
Naghintayan sila dito sa baba. And the timeout was called by the Red Stallions. 2013 sa ating talaan. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good.
We are back again here inside the NCF Covered Court 2013 sa ating talaan. Lamang dito ang NCF Tigers. Good serve coming from Estasyon.
Open. And that was a powerful attack.
Yes. Point for the Red Stallions. 2014 sa ating talaan. And now Rawat to serve the ball. Ayan, kamustahin naman natin ang mga nanonood sa atin ng live. Hello kay Aaron Francis Padua na sinusuportahan ng NCF Tigers, pati na rin si Cecil Bigia Mendoza. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Stay tuned for more actions here at the NCF Covered Court. And outside for the Red Stallions here, 21-14 on their scoreboard. Apat na lamang hinihintay ng NCF Tigers to close the set number 2. And now, Owarde of the Tigers will serve the ball. Taking his time.
Outside. A little bit of power on that
Yes.
serve.
Back-to-back error from this both teams. 21-15.
Palitan lang tayo dito ng service errors. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang bang
Yes.
service errors dito ang both teams.
Yan,
Later, we will know because of our statistician. We would like also to thank our very own statisticians who
Yes.
providing us the numbers of the attacks blocks of these teams, and also our gatekeepers
Yes.
for keeping this venue very
Yes.
good condition for our live viewers.
Yan, maraming salamat po sa
Thank
inyong
you very
lahat.
much.
And now, we are on 21-16. 5 ang kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. Asis again. Serving the ball for the Red Stallions. Good serve.
A quick open. What a hit! Look at that attack, Tien. Nakalusot pa
Yes.
sa blockers ng NCF ang bola na yon.
Yes, a good play coming from the Red Stallions. We're witnessing here a great matchup between these two, the Stallions and the Tigers. Now Asis again. Raimundo. Straight
Straight to the net by Raimundo.
Back-to-back point for the Red Stallions here. 3 na lamang hinihintay nila dito o 3 na lamang ang kailangan nilang habulin para makatay sa NCF Tigers. Asis again. Good serve.
A quick.
Wow.
What a quick
Yes.
by Barredo.
We can hear the cheering of the NCF Tigers here as Janicio will enter the court again. He will serve the ball for the NCF Tigers. Good serve.
A tight set.
Oh, miscommunication coming from the Red Stallions. Again, Janicio. 23-18 sa ating talaan.
A jump serve. What a
Wow!
serve by Junicio.
That was a
May
great
halong
serve.
gigil ang
Totoo
serve ni Junicio
yan.
Tin.
Talaga namang nilaan niya lahat ng lakas niya sa serve na yon.
That's right, Tin.
Again, Janicio. Wow.
Again, what a powerful serve.
Puntos muli para si NCF Tigers. We are now on our set point. NCF Tigers got the set number 2 with 25-18. Magbabalik po kami para sa aming set number 3. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good.
I am Kyla M. Casulia, 21 years old from Naga College Foundation, a third-year student taking up Bachelor of Arts in Communication. I will be a courtside reporter that's coming Bucal Season 4. I do not have experience in volleyball, but I am playing lawn tennis. You can expect that I will give you an updates that are concise yet relevant. Sabay-sabay nating tuklasin at alamin ang magagaling na manlalaro sa Bicol. See you there!
Fast break layup. It's good.
And we're back here live at the NCF covered court, and you can also catch up this game live on GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That was again a tight second set with 25-18 in favor of the NCF Tigers.
Yan nga. Maganda nga yung ating set number 2 pero nga marami pa ring errors ang nakukommit dito from this both teams. And now we're starting off our set number 3 with Espina serving the ball for the Red Stallions. Good serve.
Up. And that was a little bit of power
It was outside.
by Barreto
Yes.
outside.
Unang puntos para sa Red Stallions dito. And now, Espina again. Serving. Good serve.
Jonicio. Up speed. 1-2 play. A great hustle. And a livable ball. A great play by Red Stallions.
Ayan nga, para malaman pa natin dito ang adlibs and adjustment ng Red Stallions, pakinggan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Valerie. Val, anong update dyan?
Aljan 18, nakuha nga ulit ng Tigers ang second set, ngunit hindi natin mapagkakaila na maganda ang ipinakitang laban ng Red Stallions, lalo na sa kanilang matitibay na blocks. Payo naman ni Head Coach Ian ay habaan at ayusin ang pag-recycle ng bola at huwag madaliin ang laro dahil 3 sets pa ang nakaabang upang kanilang mabawi ang panalo. Ano kaya ang magiging resulta ng adjustments na ito? Kanila na kayang makuha ang third set? Alamin natin yan kaya't manatiling nakatutok. Balik sa inyo, Aljan and Tin.
Thank you so much, Val. Ayan nga, huwag madaliin ang larong ito. And of course, bawasan yung errors from their services, blockings and all. They can still get one set here as we're only starting our set number 3 with Janicio. Soft touch.
Long rally here. Swiping the ball outside. And it was good
Yes.
for the Red Stallions.
1-4 sa ating talaan dito. Lamang ng 3 ang Red Stallions.
And to know more about the success of the Tigers on our second set, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Kyla.
Tin and Aljon, patuloy pa rin nga ang pag-arangkada ng ating Tigers sa set 2 dahil nasungkit pa rin nila ito sa score na 25-18. Hindi nga naging complacent at sinunod ang mga reminders ni Coach Ian. Yan ang tulay kung bakit nakuha pa rin nila ang set 2. Patuloy pa rin ang paalala ni Coach Ian na iwasan ng errors para tuloy-tuloy ang momentum. Masungkit pa rin kaya nila ang set 3 at makuha na ang kanilang pangalawang panalo for this season. Yan ang ating abangan. For now, back to you, Tin and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Kyla. So it's about following the reminders
Yes.
of Coach Ian Olasco, and he emphasized how important to decrease the errors of the Tigers. And looking at the statistic of both teams on the second set, when it comes to spike, the Stallions had 11 as opposed to 8 of the Tigers. The blocks, 5 in favor of NCF Tigers as opposed to 2 of the Red Stallions. Service aces naman, 3 in favor of NCF Tigers. And sa opponent's errors naman, medyo lamang dito ng
Yes.
4 ang Red Stallions, 9/5 of the NCF Tigers.
Ayan nga, Aljon, dito sa ating set number 3, it's 4-6 lamang dito ng dalawa ang Red Stallions. And now, we have Capos serving the ball. Good serve. Ball is still alive here.
Great dig by Janicio. Rebuyo soft touch. A great coverage by Red Stallions.
Wow! Puntos para sa NCF Tigers dito. We can hear the roaring cheer of the Tigers community as we witness the matchup between the NCF Tigers and the Red Stallions. Good serve.
Overset. Cebuyo outside. A point for the Tigers.
Yan, dalawa na nga lang dito hinahabol ng NCF Tigers to tie with the Red Stallions. As Estacion served the ball. Great serve. Oh,
A
miscommunication coming from the Red Stallions.
Nagkatinginan doon ang players ng Stallions.
Ayan nga, we are tied on 6 sa ating set number 3. Estacion again. Strong serve. It was outside. Point for the Red Stallions. And now we have Mirabel for the Red Stallions to serve the ball. It was also strong.
A good read by Nero, not
Yes.
picking up the ball.
Back-to-back error from this both teams, and now si Buyo will serve the ball. Good serve.
Jonicio. And finds the spot.
What a great attack coming from Jonicio there.
Avoiding the blockers.
Yes. Lamang na nga sila dito sa ating set number 3, 9-7. And again, Cebuyo serving. Strong serve coming from him.
A little bit of
Automatic
power
point. Yes.
on his serve.
Automatic point for the Red Stallions. And now Atiwag for the Red Stallions. Good serve. Oh,
Straight to the net.
puntos dito sa Red Stallions. We are now tied again, 9-all sa ating set number 3. And now, Atiwag serving the ball. Good serve.
Jonicio. Open. Straight to the net.
Puntos para dito sa NCF Tigers. Back-to-back error, back-to-back spikes and attacks coming from this both teams. A great set number 3 here. We're witnessing strong serve.
Open again. Soft touch.
Oh,
A miscommunication there.
yeah, nanggigil si Jonicio doon. He didn't catch that ball. We are now again tied for the nth time, 10-all. And now Espina to serve the ball. Good serve.
Quick.
Puntos para sa NCF Tigers straight through the net. Lamang sila dito ng isa. And now Uwarde to serve the ball. Good serve.
A quick. And that was good.
Wow, quick attack coming from Palmero here. Great performance from this both teams. And now Uwarde for the Tigers to serve the ball. Good serve.
What
Wow.
a great dig by Rebuyo.
Jonicio. Puntos para sa kanila yan. Great attack
A
coming
check
from
ball.
him. Yes.
For Jonicio.
13-10 on our scoreboard. And again, Uwarde on the serving line for the Tigers. Good serve. Straight through the block para dito sa NCF Tigers as the Red Stallions get that point. 13-11. And now Asis for the Red Stallions serving the ball. Ooh, service ace coming from the Red Stallions there. 13-12 on the scoreboard. Taking his time. Good serve.
A quick. And that was good.
Wow.
Lumusot sa blockers.
Talaga namang mabibilis yung atake dito ni Palmero. Hindi mabasa ng Red Stallions kung saan papunta ang bola. And now Jonicio serving. Oh,
With a little bit
service
help of the
ace.
net.
Service ace coming from him. 14-12 sa ating talaan. And he will still serve the ball for the Tigers. Good serve. Quick attack. Palmero. It was deflected by the blockers. 4 touches para sa NCF Tigers dito. Puntos para sa Red Stallions. And now Mendones to serve the ball. Good serve.
Good receive by Nero. Rebuyo.
Oh,
What an attack by Rebuyo.
great attacker si Buyo here. 16-13 sa ating talaan. Tatlong kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. And now, Palmero to serve the ball.
A jump serve.
Oh, great serve coming from him.
A soft touch.
But
And
it was
somebody
point. Yes.
scrapes the net.
Point for the Red Stallions here. We are now on 16-14. Dalawa na lamang dito ang hinahabol ng Red Stallions to be tied with the NCF Tigers. Alianza. Oh, straight to the net from the Red Stallions. Puntos para sa NCF Tigers. And now, Raimundo will enter the court for the NCF Tigers. Estacion to serve the ball. Oh, a service error coming from him. Automatic point for the Red Stallions. We are now in 17-15. Magandang laban for the set number 3. Good serve.
Good receive by Nero. Rebuyo. Janicio. 1-2 play. Great coverage.
Sibuyo again. Point for the NCF Tigers. It's 18-15. And now a timeout was called by the Red Stallions. 18-15 sa ating talaan. Dito lang yan sa GNTV Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
Covered court, and you could also catch up this game live on GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. For the meantime, an attack error committed by Red Stallions.
Ayan. Puntos para sa Red Stallions yon. 18-16.
It was through the block. Quick! What a
Yan.
great play. What a soft touch again.
Nabawi dito ng Tigers ang puntos. As we are now on 19-16. Barredo on the serving line.
What a jump serve!
Wow.
Open! What an attack by Red Stallions!
Wow.
May
Quick
halong
attack.
gigil
Yes.
talaga. Mararamdaman mo sa atake na yon.
Hindi pa tapos dito ang set number 3 as we are witnessing attacks and blocks from this both teams. And now, Espina to serve the ball. Great serve.
Overset.
Yes. Puntos para sa Red Stallions dito. Isa na lamang hinahabol nila. 19-18. And again, Espina for the Red Stallions. Good serve.
Great receive by Nero. Raimundo. What a coverage there by NCF.
Wow!
What an attack by Red Stallions.
Napakaganda nun. A great attack coming from Cavite. We are now tied again on 19 all. And Espina will serve again for the Red Stallions. Good serve.
Great receive by Rebuyo.
Oh! What a great attack coming from Junicio, the ace player of the NCF Tigers. And now Owarde on the serving line for the NCF Tigers. Great serve. Pero puntos yan para sa NCF
At two
Tigers.
touches
Yes.
committed by the Red Stallions. An automatic point for the Tigers.
21-19. Apat na lamang dito para isara at manalo ang NCF Tigers sa laro kontra sa Red Stallions. And now again, Owarde on the serving line. Good serve. Cavite again,
Great coverage by Junicio. Junicio
but it was outside.
overcooks that set. A
Yeah.
little bit of angle on
Natawa
that
pa siya
spike.
doon sa atake niyang yon. Now 21-20 sa ating talaan. A close match on our set number 3 as Asis will serve the ball. Good serve.
Free ball.
Oh. Strong attack from Endones here. Puntos para sa NCF Tigers. And now Junicio to serve.
A jump serve by Junicio.
Wow. Great serve. Monster block coming from NCF Tigers.
And that was outside. A point for the Tigers.
Dalawa na lamang dito ang hinihintay nila
And a
para
timeout
isara.
called by Red Stallions. They are down by 3 rather, and NCF is ahead by 3. Magbabalik po kami dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break left. It's good.
We are now back again here inside the NCF covered court. 23-20 sa ating talaan. Dalawa na lamang hinihintay dito ng NCF Tigers to close the game. And now Jonicio on the serving line for the Tigers. Taking his time.
A jump serve
Wow.
again.
It was too strong. Outside. Puntos para sa Red Stallions. Nakakatakot ang serve na yun, Aljon.
That's true. Powerful nga kung
Totoo yan.
powerful talaga.
And now Mendones for the Red Stallion side. Good serve. Alianza. And now we are on our match point. Isa na lamang ang hinihintay dito ng NCF Tigers para iuwi ang panalo
When
kontra
they
sa
are
Red
feeling it,
Stallions.
they only need 1 point to close this match.
What a great serve.
A counter
Oh, and that's it.
by the blockers, and that makes the NCF wins this match against the CNS Red Stallions.
Ayan, sa aming pagbabalik, mas makikilala pa natin ang ating best player of the game. Dito lang yan sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Fast break layup. It's good. Fast break layup. It's good.
And our best player of the game is brought to you by the NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Tin and Aljon, Dugong Tigre pa rin nga ang nagibabaw sa set 3 at ito ang pangalawang panalo ng NCF Tigers for this Bucal Season 4. At ngayon kasama na natin ang ating best player of the game, jersey number 10 with 5 points, 3 blocks, and 1 service ace. He is Mr. Jetroel Barredo. Hi, Jetro! Anong nararamdaman mo sa pangalawang panalo ng NCF Tigers?
Ano po, gagawin po namin ang best namin para po manalo.
So ano yung mga personal preparations mo dito sa game 2 na nag-lead sa'yo para maging best player of the game ka?
Araw-araw pong training and kada araw po hindi pwedeng hindi magpapawis.
And nakita naman natin kung gaano ka ka-dedicated. Speaking of dedication, kanina mo ba dinededicate ang panalong ito?
Para po sa family ko and sa mga ka-team ko po.
And ano naman yung lagi mong reminder sa sarili mo before mag-start ang game?
Nagpipray po muna bago maglaro ng maayos.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na ang mga gusto mong batiin.
Binabati ko po ang family ko sa Sorsogon, family Barredo, and si Nanay Rocky, si Lina Rombano, si Nay Bilbao, and si Nay Aljon, and especially si Sir Bon po. And si Kay po, si Kay Pilises.
Ayan, thank you so much, Cetro, and congratulations. Salamat sa lahat ng nanood at tumutok sa GNN Sports TV. This has been your courtside reporter, Kyla Casulia. Back to you, Tina and Aljon.
And that was our best player of the game, Jethruel Barredo. So Aljon, ano nga ba yung pinakita niya ditong performance sa larong ito kontra sa Red Stallions?
Once again, congratulations, Ruel Barredo, for showcasing us the great volleyball, especially you are from the defending champions. He had 5 points,
Yes.
3 blocks, and 1 service aces. So you really deserve to be the best
Yes.
player of the game. Also, we would like to thank the sponsors, the online viewers, the live viewers here at the NCF Covered Court, our statistician, gatekeepers, especially the commentators,
Yes.
courtside reporters, the friends of the players, the referees, and also the team behind the camera.
Yes.
Thank you very much. This has been Aljon.
And I am Christine Reyes. For more updates, tutok lang kayo dito sa GNN Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.